Hey everybody, I'm Michael,
No, Oscar.
and we're going to take you on a journey as we navigate the seas of reliability and increasing your uptime.
Just remember, AI is a powerful compass, but you still need an experienced navigator.
What makes asset watch distinct on someone's radar?
Yeah, so I think there's a couple of different things. First and foremost, we use an AI machine learning algorithm that's analyzed more than billions of data points on like industries and assets to become basically smarter over time and get to know your guys' environments and equipment. But the most important thing is you're not just getting a ChatGPT alert on your dashboard. Everything's vetted through a condition monitoring engineer, which is a CME for short. And these guys are your expert behind the scenes, kind of driving all of your goals and, like I said, working with you and your teams to make sure that they interpret what's going on, at the plant floors and give you guys actionable insights to precision-based maintenance recommendations.
Will you talk to me a little bit about the CMEs behind the data?
Yeah, of course. So our CMEs, which are condition monitoring engineers, are ISO certified vibration analysts. The best part is they all work together internally, so in case we have an industry expert assigned to our organization, but he needs a little bit of help because he has somebody behind the scenes that actually has more context behind the equipment, he can actually go and talk internally with his team, and they'll make sure they find you the best possible outcome.
All right, Oscar. Well, thank you so much for answering my questions.
Thanks for having me, and I'm gonna go pull the anchor on this conversation now.